guys, who we have here?
Eric, Ricky.
What are you guys doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of perfect good airplanes.
Yes, sir.
Why in the world would we want to do that?
We're crazy.
You're crazy. Any celebration?
My birthday was
Your
yesterday.
birthday. Nice. Happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
This is a great way to spend it. Sick. Well, we're going to take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down under parachute. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
All right, boys, here we go. You ready?
Ready.
Get up, get down this thing, get out the front of the fly. Right, high five. Woo! How you feeling?
Really good. That was awesome.
You like it?
That was so cool. I gotta do it again.
You want to do a spin?
Can we?
Yeah. Let's see. Woo!
Oh shit!
Alright, dude. Welcome back to Earth. How you feeling?
Good. That was way more cool than I thought it would be.
Dude.
All right, man. You just jumped off an airplane.
Yes, I did. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Do it again, probably.
Heck yeah. What was your favorite part?
The first part, the beginning, right, jumping out, just the adrenaline, just jumping out was so good.
Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Well, yeah. You gotta come jump again, man. You
Yes,
can't
I
just do it one and
definitely
done.
will. I definitely will.
Heck yeah. Thanks for jumping, man.
Thank you.